The best and cheapest security system you can have. This right here, the wrapper from your bread. How do you use it?
Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up.
I'm gonna show you. You're gonna know if someone has been in your house just by using this twister off of the loaf of bread. Let me show you how to do that. Put the bread wrapper over here at the door and close the door. There it is. So now, if you put it on this side of the door and it falls down and lands on somebody, they're going to know that it was there. So that's why you put it on this side, because nobody's looking over here. So then when you open the door, it falls down out of the way and nobody knows it but you. And now it's down here. And that's how you use a bread wrapper as a security system for your house. And you'll know if someone's opened your door and been in your house.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and ring the bell.